Procrastination. It's the action of delaying or postponing something. Almost for the past few years, I always procrastinated and I never felt that I'm doing something really wrong. Because procrastination is a very good feeling which allows us to stay in our comfort zone. We don't know, but we love to procrastinate as it keeps us away from the productivity. It can be so destructive, as we all know. It always takes a lot of discipline to stop it. I never saw procrastination as a problem and never done something before to stop this. It's never a problem until we fail in something and then that failure really hits like a ton of bricks. And after a few days we forget that and again start to procrastinate. I researched a lot and found some ways to overcome my procrastination, and I thought to share these things with you guys too, as some of us have suffered with this in the past and most of us are still suffering with procrastination. It's our mind and feelings which take us on this path of procrastination. Our mind is such a powerful thing, as we all know, and it's all about the way we control it. If we let our mind do what it wants and let it take easy paths, it will completely mess up everything in our life. According to the Peter Thiel, he's the author of Procrastination Equation, he said that about 95% of the people have admitted to procrastinate every day. He also explains perfectly, as he wrote, beliefs are powerful because they form or directly affect expectancy. As you become the less optimistic or less confident, your ability to achieve your motivation also helps. The more certain you are of success, the harder it is to keep focused. While at home, we all know that we all procrastinate a lot. While playing a game or while watching a Netflix series, we always say it's like one more episode or one more game, and then there we go for wasting more of a 15 or 30 minutes. Sometimes we have our assignments left to do, but instead of doing that, we watch Netflix shows due to procrastination, as we always keep delaying it. Last month, procrastination was on my head, which prevents me from filming video, editing video and uploading more of my videos, and I don't feel like to go to the gym and do my studies. So I was up with few ways to stop this. Stay disciplined. I think we should make our day productive, and once we have a perfect morning routine, then probably we will have the rest of the day as productive, if you ever notice. Sometimes we don't have the confidence to go ahead and do some things. So the lower we have the confidence, the lower is our motivation. Therefore, you will be more prone to procrastination. Surround yourself with greatness. I always used to surround myself with the people who inspired me. I watched their documentaries, the way they used to manage their daily life and stay happy and healthy, which really helps me a lot, to be honest. And over the time of several months, I noticed that my own self-belief has risen gradually. Focus on your why. In order to stop procrastinating, you have to remember why you started and where all this hard work can take you one day. And then after that, if you probably procrastinate, you will know the results will be the failures. Remove the excuses. Most of us have so many reasons to stop doing things or to delay things, or sometimes we are not in the mood to do something. But in order to gain progress, we have to do that work any way possible. Day by day, after not having excuses, the habit of procrastination will also decrease, if you ever notice. Optimize your environment. We should have a better environment to do more of our work and stay productive rather than laying lazy on our bed in front of our devices. To be honest, a clean environment really helps us to work effectively and with more energy. All these things together can decrease the level of procrastination, and you will probably see a change in yourself within a couple of days or months. And yeah, with all steps like this, we can overcome procrastination day by day, month by month. It's hard to do that. It requires a lot of discipline, but yeah, the outcomes are always positive. So yeah, this was today's video, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, stay tuned.